Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a triple berry with kiwi smoothie. So we have 1 cup of strawberries, we have 1 cup of orange juice, 2 cut kiwi, fresh kiwi, we have 3/4 cups of raspberries, and we have an half cup of cherries. All right, and we're going to be using our Food Network blender that already has our smoothie option there for us, which is going to make it easy. And we're also going to add 1 teaspoon of honey to our smoothie. Okay, so we are ready. We're going to add our ingredients to the blender. So those are our cherries and raspberries, our blueberries, our kiwi, and our strawberries. And you can use fresh strawberries if you would like, and just add a few cubes of few ice cubes if you do so. And our orange juice, again, that's 1 cup of orange juice, and 1 teaspoon of honey. And if you want to use a substitute for honey, you can use any liquid sweetener. Okay, I'm going to put the lid on and start the blender. So this is a good smoothie to have for energy, breakfast. We are done. Now it is time to taste. All right, it looks pretty beautiful. Love the consistency of it. Let's taste it. Pretty good. You can taste the honey. All right, if you want to see more videos like the one you are watching right now, please subscribe to our channel, and we will have more videos like this one. Thank you.